O pwede ko po bang matanong kung dala po ninyo yung SALN ng ating Vice President?
Magandang umaga po. Dala po namin ang mga SALN na hinihingi po ng komite ayon sa subpoena duces tecum na inyong ibinigay sa amin.
May we direct the committee secretary to receive the copy of the SALNs which are being submitted by the Office of the Ombudsman so that the same will form part of the records of our proceeding. Ombudsman?
Bago ho nagsimula ang ating pagdinig, ibinigay na po namin ang mga kopya ng subpoena, ang mga kopya ng mga dokumentong hinihingi ng komite sa amin.
The committee notes that the Ombudsman already submitted ahead of the commencement of this proceeding. Honorable Chua?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, gusto ko pong tanungin ng ating ombudsman kasi base po dun sa paragraph 107 ng Sabalya complaint, ang ating pong Vice Presidente ay naging Vice Mayor ng Davao nung taong 2007 hanggang 2010. At siya rin po ay naging alkalde ng Davao mula 2010 hanggang 2013, 2016 hanggang 2019, at 2019 hanggang 2022. But I notice, Madam Chair, ang naibigay lamang sa ating mga dokumento dito ay mula 2016 hanggang 2024. Pwede ko po bang malaman nasaan po yung SALN nung taong 2007 hanggang 2015 nung ang ating pong Vice President ay Vice Mayor at Mayor ng Davao?
Isang isang paglilinaw. Kasama ko po dito ang aming opisyal ng Ombudsman, si Attorney Karen Batu ng Central Records Division upang sumagot po sa mga tanong na partikular tungkol po sa mga dokumento sapagkat hindi ko po nakikita itong mga dokumentong ito sapagkat iba po ang aking ginagawa sa Office of the Ombudsman. Maaari po, ipasa na po ang mikropono kay Attorney Karen Batu.
We recognize Attorney Batu. Please answer the question.
Good morning, Your Honor. Based po dun sa submission namin earlier before the proceedings, kasama po sa sinabit namin yung 2007 to 2012 SALN ng ating Vice President. May certification din po tayo na yung subpoena po kasi is from 2007 to 2013, 2016 to 2022. So yung 2015 po hindi po kasama sa mga sinasubpoena sa Office of the Ombudsman. Ang kulang lang po sa mga sinubmit namin.
Attorney Batu, if I may interrupt, kindly speak closer to the microphone.
Sige po. Sorry po. Ulitin ko po, Your Honor, meron po kaming sinubmit 2007 to 2012. Yung pong mga SALN na yon came from our area office from the Mindanao. Kasi sila po yung repository or custodian ng SALN during the time na City Vice Mayor and Mayor po yung ating Vice President. So we requested pa po. So kasama po yun ngayon sa sinubmit namin. Nandun po yun sa submission namin before the proceedings.
Okay, kasi meron lamang po ako dito is 2016 hanggang 2024.
Kasama po yun sa binigay po namin sa COMSEC ngayon.
Okay. Anyway, with that, siguro magsisimula na lang akong magtanong from 2016 to 2024 dahil yun lang ang meron akong record dito at hindi po sa akin na ibigay ng...
If I may interrupt, Honorable Chua. COMSEC, please be directed to provide copy of the SALN submitted by the OMB to the justice members.
1
and
minute
later
recess.
to the complainant and the respondent.
Thank you. 2000. Okay. Okay. May I proceed now, Madam Chair?
You may proceed.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, gusto ko pong tanungin ang ating kagalang-galang na ombudsman. Base po dito sa SALN no, na isinumiti po ninyo dito sa committee, maaari niyo po bang i-confirm na yung SALN po ng ating Vice President noong taong 2007, habang siya po ay Vice Mayor ng Davao, ay may declared net worth na 7.250 million 497.
For the guidance of the justice members, the question is anchored on the 2016 SALN. So,
2007.
2007,
2007.
COMSEC kindly flash the concerned SALN for the guidance of the members.
2007. Declared net worth.
Your Honor, I will just read the content ng 2007 SALN ng ating Vice President. And it is stated here na ang kanyang net worth is 7,250,497.
Okay, so kinukonfirm po ninyo. Tama po.
Yun po yung nakalagay dito sa SALN
thank
niya.
you po.
Can we flash the amount of net worth? There, 7,250,000.
All right. So dito po sa 7,250,000 sa kanya pong SALN, magkano po yung kanyang dineklara na cash at saka cash deposit?
Again, reading from the SALN submitted by the Vice President, yung cash on hand and bank niya for the year, various years acquired is 2 million.
2 million. Okay, thank you po. Doon po sa kanyang 2008, sabi po niya, ang declared net worth po ng ating Vice President at that time, Vice Mayor po siya, noong 2008, is 18.493,616.65. Tama po ba to? Do you confirm this?
Your Honor, based on the 2008 submitted SALN, the net worth of the Vice President then is 18,493,616.65.
Okay. At magkano naman po ang dineklara niyang cash at cash deposit po sa kanyang SALN noong 2008?
Ang declaration po niya dito sa kanyang 2008 SALN is 2 million din po, Your Honor.
2 million na cash. Salamat po. Punta po tayo sa kanyang SALN noong 2009 habang siya po ay Vice Mayor ng Davao. May declared net worth po siya na 18,821,264.65. Tama po ba?
Please flash 2009 SALN.
Your Honor, again, reading from the 2009 submitted SALN of the Vice President, ang kanyang net worth then is 18,281,264.65.
Ano po? 18 million
281,264.65.
at 281, sorry. Okay. At magkano naman po ang kanyang dineclare na cash at cash deposit po dito?
Based on the submission of the Vice President, the cash on hand bank was 2,800,000 po.
2,800,000. Maraming salamat po. Dumako naman po tayo sa 2010 na SALN ng ating Vice President habang siya po ay Vice Mayor ng Davao. Meron po ditong nakadeclared na net worth na 16,242,886.65. Kinukumpirma po ba ninyo to?
Your Honor, again, based on the submission of the 2010 SALN by the Vice President, her net worth then was 16,242,886.65.
Maraming salamat po. At magkakano naman po yung halaga na idineklara niya na cash at cash deposit po sa kanyang SALN nung 2010 SALN?
Based on her submission, the cash on hand bank during the time was 3,661,622.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Dumako naman po tayo sa 2011 na SALN po ng ating Vice President habang siya po ay Vice Mayor ng Davao. May declared net worth po siya na 14,271,148.45. Kinukumpirma po ba ninyo to?
Your Honor, reading from the from the 2011 SALN submitted by the Vice President, her net worth then was declared as 14,271,148.46.
At magkano naman po ang halaga ng kanya na dineklara po niyang cash at cash deposit sa kanya pong SALN noong 2011?
The declared cash on hand bank for the 2011 SALN was 3,931,125.80.
Okay. Dumako naman po tayo sa kanyang 2012 na SALN habang siya po ay Vice Mayor ng Davao. Meron po siya ditong declared net worth na 22,116,101.93. Kinukumpirma po ba ninyo to?
Again, Your Honor, reading from the submitted 2012 SALN of the Vice President, her declared net worth was 22,116,101.93.
At magkano po yung kanyang dineklarang cash at cash deposit po sa nasabing taon, 2012?
Your Honor, yung declared cash on hand bank niya for the 2012 SALN was 4,320,532.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Pumunta naman po tayo sa kanyang 2016 SALN habang siya po ay alkalde po ng Davao. Dito po meron po siyang declared net worth nilang mag-asawa, no? 34,895,997. Ito po ba'y kinukumpirma ninyo?
Again, Your Honor, reading from the submitted SALN, 2016 SALN by the Vice President, ang nakalagay po dito na net worth niya is 34,895,997.
Maraming salamat po. At magkakaano naman po yung kanyang dineklara na cash at cash deposit sa kanyang 2016 SALN?
Dito po sa kanyang 2016 SALN, ang nakalagay po na cash on hand bank, 3,750,760.
Maraming salamat po. Dumako naman po tayo sa kanyang 2017 SALN. Habang siya po ay alkalde ng Davao City, sabi po sa kanyang SALN, siya po ay nagdeklara ng 44,828,759. Kinukumpirma po ba ninyo to?
Your Honor, reading from the submitted 2017 SALN of the Vice President, her net worth then was 44,828,759.
Maraming salamat po. At magkakano naman po yung kanyang declared cash at cash deposit noong taong 2017?
Based on her submission, Your Honor, the cash on hand and bank was declared to be 6,368,596.
Maraming salamat po. Dumako naman po tayo sa kanyang 2018 SALN habang siya po ay alkalde po ng Davao City. Tama po ba na ang declared net worth po nilang mag-asawa ay 699,728. Kino-confirm po ba ninyo to?
Your Honor, again, I'm reading from the 2018 submission, SALN submission of the Vice President. Ang kanya pong declared net worth then was 49,699,728.
At magkakano man po dyan yung kanyang declared na cash at cash deposit noong taong 2018?
Based on her submission, Your Honor, ang declared cash po niya was 3,795,000.
All right. Dumako naman po tayo sa kanyang 2019 SALN habang siya po ay alkalde po ng Davao City. Ang kanya pong declared net worth nilang mag-asawa ay 55,613,051. Tama po ba to? Do you confirm this?
Your Honor, I'm reading the 2019 SALN submitted by the Vice President, and it is stated here that her net worth for then was 55,613,051 po.
At magkakano naman po yung kanyang cash at cash deposit noong taong 2019?
Your Honor, based po dito sa submission niya ng 2019 SALN, wala po nakadeclare na cash on hand.
Wala
or
po,
bank.
walang cash or cash deposit na dineklara? 2019. Tignan po ninyo na maigi.
Your Honor, after checking it again, wala po nakalagay na
Alright.
cash on hand.
Wala pong cash
or
on hand.
bank.
Dumako po tayo sa kanyang 2020 na SALN habang siya po ay alkalde ng Davao. Meron po siyang dineclare na net worth nilang mag-asawa 56,583,735.01. Kinokonfirma po ba ninyo ito?
Your Honor, again, reading from the submitted 2020 SALN of the Vice President, ang declared net worth po niyan at the time was 56,583,735.1.
At magkakano naman po yung kanyang cash at cash deposit noong taong 2020?
Your Honor, based on this 2020 SALN, wala pong nakadeclare na cash on hand or cash deposit ang Vice
Wala
President.
rin pong cash tsaka cash deposit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Paki-double check po ninyo.
Your Honor, after checking it, we can confirm na wala po nakalagay na cash on hand or deposit that declared sa 2020 SALN of the Vice President.
Okay, thank you po. Punta po tayo sa kanyang 2021 na SALN habang siya po ay alkalde ng Davao. Ang kanya pong declared net worth nilang mag-asawa po dito ay 65,308,841. Tama po ba? Kinukumpirma po ba ninyo to?
Your Honor, again, I'm reading that the 2021 SALN submitted by the Vice President at ang declared net worth po niya was 65,308,841.
At magkakano naman po yung kanyang declared na cash at cash deposit sa kanyang SALN noong 2021?
Your Honor, based on the 2021 submitted SALN of the Vice President, Wala pong declared cash on hand or bank deposits.
So 3 taon na po na wala siyang declared, 19, 20, 21, tama po ba?
Based on the submitted SALN, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Dumako naman po tayo sa kanyang 2022 na SALN habang siya po ay Vice President. Ang kanya pong declared net worth nilang mag-asawa ay 71,058,841. Tama po ba? Do you confirm this?
Your Honor, again, I'm reading the 2022 SALN submitted by the Vice President at ang kanyang declared net worth for that year was 71,058,841.
At magkano po yung kanyang declared na cash at cash deposit noong taong 2022?
Your Honor, based on the 2022 SALN submitted by the Vice President, wala po naka-declare na na cash on hand or bank deposits.
Pakisiguraduhin po ninyo, baka namamalikmata lang po kayo.
Give us a few seconds, Your Honor.
(2022 na ba ito?
Your Honor, based on our second look for this SALN, wala din po talaga nakalagay na cash on hand or bank deposit.
Okay, so pupunta po tayo sa 2023. Dito po, meron pong sa kanyang SALN, meron po siyang declared net worth nilang mag-asawa, no? 77,508,841. Do you confirm this?
Your Honor, based on the submitted 2023 SALN of the Vice President, ang nakalagay po na net worth niya for that year was 77,508,841.
At magkano naman po yung kanyang declared na cash at cash deposit noong taong 2023?
Your Honor, based on the 2023 SALN submission by the Vice President, wala pong nakalagay na cash on hand or bank deposits declared.
So sa 2023, wala pa rin po.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay. So, punta na po tayo sa kanyang declared SALN for the year 2024. Ang sabi po dito, meron po siyang declared net worth na 88,512,370.22. Tama po ba to?
Your Honor, based on the 2024 SALN submitted by the Vice President, the declared net worth then was 88,512,370.22.
At magkano po yung kanyang cash deposit? Declared cash at saka cash deposit noong taong 2024.
Your Honor, reading from the 2024 SALN of the Vice President, wala pong naka-declared na cash on hand or bank deposit for that year.
Wala pa rin po.
Yes, Your Honor.
So sa madaling salita, yung kanya pong cash na dineclare was only from 2007 up to 2018. Tama po ba?
Based on our received copies of the SALN, Your Honor, yun po yung lumalabas na years na meron po siyang declared cash on hand and bank deposits.
At noong 2019 at 2024, kahit na 5 po, wala po siyang dineklara na cash at saka cash on hand. Tama po ba?
Based on the submitted SALN, Your Honor, wala pong nakalagay na cash on hand or bank deposits.
Kahit 5 po?
Wala pong nakalagay, Your Honor.
Wow. Thank you po, Madam Chair.